As Apple and Google dominate headlines with their latest smartphone launches, Samsung is quietly preparing its next move, and it could be a big one. While the official Galaxy Unpacked 2026 event is still months away, expected in February, early leaks have already begun painting a picture of what the Galaxy S26 Ultra might look like. And while some upgrades are exciting, others may leave longtime Samsung fans scratching their heads. Battery, still 5,000 mAh, but faster charging may save the day. Let's start with the most talked about disappointment, the battery. According to multiple sources, Samsung is sticking with the same 5,000 mAh battery it's used in every Ultra model since the Galaxy S20 Ultra. If true, this would mark the 6th generation of Ultra phones without a bump in battery capacity, a surprising move, especially as competitors push toward larger cells and longer endurance. However, there's a glimmer of hope. Leaks suggest the Galaxy S26 Ultra may finally support 65W fast charging, a significant upgrade from the current 45W limit. That means users could see dramatically reduced charging times, even if the battery size remains unchanged. For power users, this could be a game changer, especially for those who rely on their phones for productivity, gaming, or content creation throughout the day. Pencil stylus support, the S Pen lives on. One feature that continues to set the Ultra apart is the built-in S Pen stylus. Samsung isn't backing away from this productivity powerhouse, in fact, it's doubling down. The stylus remains a key selling point for professionals, creatives, and multitaskers who want precision input, quick note-taking, and seamless control. Whether you're sketching, annotating documents, or navigating with finesse, the S Pen ensures the Ultra stays in a class of its own. Triangular ruler design evolution, more rounded, more refined. Samsung stirred up debate with the rounded edges of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, a design shift that some fans felt made the phone resemble an iPhone. Now, leaks suggest the S26 Ultra will be even more rounded, with a sleeker profile and a more refined aesthetic. But here's the clever twist. Samsung is reportedly increasing the display size to 6.89 inches, not by enlarging the phone's body, but by trimming down the bezels. This means users get more screen real estate without sacrificing comfort or portability. The result? A more immersive viewing experience, perfect for streaming, gaming, and multitasking, wrapped in a design that feels modern, premium, and unmistakably Samsung. Camera with flash camera rumors still under wraps. While most leaks have focused on battery and design, camera upgrades are expected, but details remain scarce. Given Samsung's history of pushing mobile photography boundaries, we can anticipate improvements in low-light performance, zoom capabilities, and AI-powered enhancements. Whether it's a new sensor, better image processing, or advanced video features, the S26 Ultra will likely continue Samsung's tradition of delivering one of the best smartphone cameras on the market. Brain what this means for Samsung fans. If you're a loyal Galaxy Ultra user, the S26 Ultra may feel like a mix of familiar strengths and cautious innovation. The unchanged battery might be a letdown, but faster charging, a larger display, and refined design could make it a worthy upgrade. And for those who rely on the S Pen, the Ultra remains the only flagship that truly caters to stylus lovers, keeping Samsung's identity intact in a sea of lookalike phones. Crystal ball looking ahead, what else could be coming? While the S26 Ultra is the star of the leaks, Samsung's February event may also unveil Galaxy S26 and S26 Plus models. New Galaxy Buds. Updates to One UI software. Possibly a teaser for the next Galaxy Z Fold or Flip. Samsung is known for packing surprises into its Unpacked events, so expect more than just a phone reveal. Calendar when to expect the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Samsung typically holds its Galaxy Unpacked event in early February, so we're likely just 6 months away from the official launch. Until then, expect more leaks, renders, and speculation to surface, especially as Apple and Google continue to dominate the spotlight.